Assalamualaikum. My name is Wadina Supir binti Roslan and my metric number is 14 TDT 21 F2012.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Fatini binti Muzaffar Shah. My matrix number is 40 ticket 21F2805.
Hi, my name is Amir Aisyah binti Abdul Aziz. My matrix number is 14 ticket 21F2804.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Faika binti Zainuri and my matrix number is 14 ticket 1F2034.
Definition of differentiation of rate of change. The gradient function dy per dx of a curve measures the rate at which the curve increase or decrease. Differentiation allows us to find rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity with respect time. Illustration. It allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph of y against x is the gradient of the curve. If y equal fx, so dy per dx is a rate of change y respect to x.
Okay, for the formula differentiation, dy over dx equal to dy over dt minus 2 dt over dx. The positive value for dy over dx is the rate of increase for y respect to x. The negative value for dy over dx is the rate of decrease for y respect to x.
Step of solve rate of change. First, list the information we are told and what we want find out, like a formula. Dy per dx equal to dy per dt multiply dt per dx. The positive value for dy per dx is the rate of increase for y respect to x. Then, the negative value for dy per dx is the rate of decrease for y respect to x. Second, use the chain rule to link what we are told with what we want. Third, find an expression for the linking term. And the last one, substitute numerical values into the linking equation.
Will terangkan the operation of the equation. The given equation also have equation y equal to x power 3 minus 6 power 2 plus 6, and we need to find turning point and determine their network. For step 1, we need to do differentiation. Differentiation is we need to take power, bring it in front of the x, and then reduce power by 1. For the equation, we have y equal to 2x power 3 minus 6x power 2 plus 6. So, to do differentiation, we need to take power, bring it in front of the x. So we need to take the power of 3. We need to take the power is 3 and bring it in front of 2x power 3. So when we determine it, we take x power, we then take 6x power 2 and the minus 6x power 2. We need to bring the 2 in front of minus 6, and the power we need to reduce power by 1. Then we need to, and the power of 2 we need to minus 1. So when we determine, we get minus 12x, while the 6 we get a 0 because the 6 is the term of differentiation. For data, we need to find the total order of differentiation, but the equation for first order is not complete. So we need to complete the equation of first order. We need to find the turning point. To find the turning point, the first order of differentiation we need to equal to 0. So the first order we did is 6x power 2 minus 12x equal to 0. So we get 6x power 2 minus 12x minus 0. This is a complete equation. So we can do the factorize use the calculator. So when we do the factorize use the calculator, we did x equal to 0, x equal to 2. So we get the factorize answer. We need to enter the factorize answer into the equation we did. Is y equal to x power 3 minus 6x power 2 plus 6. So we need to enter the factorize answer into the equation. So we did value of y is 6, while when x equal to 2, we did as y equal to -2. So when we did the two answer, we need to the data order of differentiation. Use the answer we did for the factorized. So when data order, we did 12x because the power of the first order we did 6x power 2 minus 12x. So the power of 6x power 2, the power of 2 we move in front of 6, and the power of 2 we minus 1. While the minus 12x, we bring the x power of x in 1 in front of 12, while x power 1 minus 1. So we did 12 minus 12. So when we do the differentiation, the 12x is a 0. So we no need to write. So we get 12x. So we get the 12x, the value of x we use the factorized answer we get is 0 and 2. So when we enter the x equal to 0 and x equal to 2, we get we get 24.
Step 3. Y equal to 2x power of 3 minus 6x power of 2 plus 6. So we need to draw the table for x and y. Like example, like step 2, we got the point is, first we got 0, 6 and 2, -2. So we need to do a table and write the x and y. So first we write the -2, and for y we got -34 and -1 for x, and y we got -2, and x is 0, and y we got 6, x 1, y is 2, x 2, y is -2, and x 3, we got y is 6. How we can get y is, we can get when we do the y equal to 2x, this the formula, and we just put in the x to the formula like 2x. So x, we change the -2 power of 3 minus 6x, we change to -2 plus 6. So we can get the y is -34 like that. So we can point at the graph, so we can get the graph how it looks like. Is for example like on the presentation, like we present for now.